Good evening. Thank you for coming back to my channel. I am ending my listing day today with a few more gems here. I want to show you this men's Invicta sleek black sporty watch, model number 21815. It's got a chronograph, and I just want to show you how this chronograph works. So first thing I'm going to do is move the hands up to the top so we can see the subdials. All right, when I push the top pusher, the 2 o'clock pusher, you see our bottom chronograph is moving, our bottom subdial. Push it again, it stops, and then push it again, and we notice it does not go back to 0. So how do we fix that? Pull it all the way out, because this doesn't have a date, it only has one position. So pull it out to the first position. And whenever I push the top pusher, it goes counterclockwise, and forward pusher goes clockwise. But now let's take a look at this subdial over to the left. Do you see that? Whenever I hold it down, it moves. Both of them. Let's see if it'll go backwards, because that'll take a lot less time. Yes. And there's a 60 up there at the top. I don't know if you can see it or not. And slow it down. Okay, all lined up. So let's push it back in as our second hand starts moving. Press that to start the chronograph. Press that to stop. And they all go back and line up. If you're wondering what this subdial over here on the right is, it's a 24-hour. So notice this is almost 12 o'clock. So you can see there. And as you move, so now we're at 2400 hours. That's what that one is. So there you go, folks. Beautiful, sleek, elegant, heavy, well-made men's watch, Invicta, model number 21815 with a chronograph. And this is going to go on the store tonight. Going to list it at an auction starting at 99 cents. Thanks for watching.